Hi viewers, it's good to see you again. Now today we are going to be touring this beautiful 5-bed, the most talked about 5-bed here in Lekki, Lagos. In this video, you're not just going to see the morning view of this property. I also made sure I captured the night view so that you can see what this beautiful piece looks like at night. If you're seeing this video for the very first time, you're welcome to this channel. Welcome. Please do well to join us in this community, and you can only do that when you hit your subscribe button and turn on your bell. Let's step inside and see what this place looks like. Remember, I told you you're going to be seeing the night view, and this is what this beautiful piece looks like at night. I made sure I captured the night view so that you can have the day view and the night view. So now come along, let's go see what this place looks like. Hi viewers, welcome back. So this is the tour of this beautiful 5-bed. Okay, all rooms comes in suites. You have a kitchenette, you have an elevator, you have a very wide kitchen, you have a swimming pool, you have a family lounge. You can see that this restroom is giving peace. You can't come into this restroom and not think about your day properly. So if you need this, call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. Do well to hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you stay updated whenever we drop updates on this channel. You'll be the first to know whenever we drop video on this channel. Okay, all the rooms are very spacious. Okay, so call me right away if you are interested in this beautiful piece, and I'll bring you here for site inspection and we will take it up from there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around till this very end, till I come your way again. My name is Joanne, your best bet for anything real estate. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye.